The latest Wilson research report by Harry Foster tells us that 68% of the IC design projects are running late, and the same number going through respins for IC and ASICs. Only 17% of the FPGA designs are built right the first time around. All this while verification costs continue to grow, and verification to designer headcount continues to increase. Functional bug escapes are a growing nightmare. Verification is in a real crisis. Whether you're launching a rocket, or flying an aircraft, or building a car, you will be using a piece of silicon. Quadrillions or quintillions of simulation cycles will not be enough to find your corner case bugs and guarantee the absence of deadlocks, or identify security vulnerabilities, or ensure your car's underlying digital world is error-free. Wouldn't you want to build and be a part of a safer and secure digital world? Wouldn't you want to build safer and secure products enabled by rigorous design verification powered by formal methods? Start learning formal methods today from the best training school in the world that takes you into the history, foundations, and applications of theorem proving, property checking, and equivalence checking. Enroll now at elearn.axiomize.com today to embark on the beautiful journey of formal methods. Let us build a safer and secure digital world so we save lives and sleep sound.